Hey, welcome. In this video, I will share with you how you can create an opt-in form and also set up an autoresponder. The goal is to help you automate your email marketing and list building, and this will in turn save you time and energy. So I'm actually creating this particular video based on requests from my amazing and awesome subscribers like this. So guys, without further ado, let's get started with today's video tutorial. Okay guys, so welcome back. Now this particular video will be broken down into 3 sections. Now the first section, I will share with you how you can set up your autoresponder, and the second section I will share with you how you can create your opt-in form. Then the last section I will share with you how you can connect this autoresponder and the opt-in form. So this will help you automate the whole process. And before we get started guys, please do like this video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to more people looking for similar video, similar tutorial, similar solution. And if this is your first time on my channel, or you are here to subscribe to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm actually creating this video because you requested for it. Okay guys, so let's get started with today's video tutorial. Okay guys, so here is the thing. In this video, we will use Getresponse as our case study, even though I recommend using MailerLite. But here is the thing, this particular video is not for me, it's for you, because most of you that will register on MailerLite might not get your account approved. So what's the essence of using MailerLite? So I will use Getresponse, and Getresponse is as good as MailerLite. But I'd like to know in the comment section if you watched the last video that I did on email list building and you were able to create your MailerLite account. If it went through successfully, please drop a comment, do let me know. So guys, let's get started. So all you need to do is go to adeleke.com/get. So Getresponse now give a free account that you can use. And here is the thing, before it was 1,000 subscribers, but right now you have access to build up to 500 subscribers before they start asking you to pay. But if you are just starting with email marketing, I think this is the best way to get started. So 500 leads or list is also something. So just go to adeleke.com/get to take you to this page and you'll be able to register. Okay, so once you have done that, just go through the registration process, sign up and do all of that. So after doing all of that, you should land on this page. So your home page or your dashboard will look something like this. So as I've said, the first thing we'll do here is I will show you how you can create your list and autoresponder. So before you even think of creating your autoresponder, the first thing you want to do is to create your list. So all you need to do is just click on contact. So contact is same as list on Getresponse. So just click on contact. So you need to create your contact, like your email list group first before you can start creating your autoresponder. So I'll just use this as an example. So let me say demo tutorial. This is just an example, right? And please note, you can use good words here, because whenever someone subscribe or unsubscribe, they will see the name. Can you see? Your contact will see they will see this when they subscribe or unsubscribe. So I'll just use, this is just a demo tutorial, right? So I've created my list. So once you have done that, you can now go to your settings. Can you see? You can go to your settings and do some settings. Can you see? So you can as well put demo tutorial here and describe your list. Now category, you can describe the category you are trying to generate leads from, the industry. So I'll just use internet marketing. Language, you are seeing Polish because I'm in Poland, so let me change this to English. So you can use any country. So you can turn on your your location as well if you want to. Logo, if you want to, you can also upload your picture or your business logo. That is fine. I think that is all. Then you click on save general settings, so it is saved. So you can go to subscription as well. Now this subscription, you can decide to turn this on, so every time you get new subscribers, you'll be notified via your email. But I think it is not really cool unless you want to create a dedicated email for this notification. That's fine. But imagine getting thousands of notifications, so you can decide to turn it on or off. So this particular one require confirmation. So if you want to use double opt-in, double opt-in simply means when someone opts in to subscribe to your list, when they opt in to subscribe to your list, do you want them to confirm, like Getresponse will send them an email that they should click to confirm their subscription. But here is the thing, if you turn this on, it will reduce the number of lists that you get, because most people will just opt in, they won't go to their email to confirm. So but you can turn it on if you want. So this confirmation page is okay. After someone opts into your list, on the web page they should be redirected to a custom URL, or they should just still stay inside Getresponse, but I would prefer you use custom URL. So this is where you put your thank you page or lead successful registration page, so you can always track whoever opt-in. So if you have watched the video that I did last on email list building, you understand what I'm saying. I would advise you should go watch that video. And before I continue, I would just like to chip this in. Always check the description of my videos. There are useful links. All of the links that I'm referring to in this particular video, everything will be in the description. So always check the description of my video. Okay, so I think that's that about that. So you can just put the custom URL here. I don't really have one. Let me just put something. I don't really have one, guys, because I'm just creating a tutorial. So let me just use this. Please make sure you use correct link. So I just use that. And confirmation message. Now this one, listen, this one you can use HTML. So this is just like the message they will receive after they opt in. So when someone opts in, what do you want them to see? Okay, when I opt in, I want, when anybody opts in, I want Getresponse to send them a message to notify them that they have actually registered. So you can check all of this. Body template, you can see there are so many templates here that you can select from. Can you see? So this is the template that you can use. So just click on save confirmation message. So once you have done that, you now go to your autoresponder. Can you see autoresponders? Click on it. So we are done with creating our list. That's the first thing. So people need to join the list. Then some sequence of emails will be sent to them based on the list they join. So you want to segment your list. Email list segmentation. Okay, now you can see this is currently empty, right? So I'll just click on create autoresponder. I don't want this video to be too long. So you click on create autoresponder. Then you can give it a name. So let me say welcome to my list. So this is just an example, right? Now don't forget we created a list earlier, right? Because you might be managing different lists. You understand? So you want to select it from here. So I'll just use, I think I just created this, right? Demo tutorial. So just pick from here. Now autoresponder setting. So here is the thing. Let's assume the first email. So in the list settings that we did, you might decide to turn off the confirmation and all of that and just use this particular one because it is more flexible, right? So here is the thing. Look at, so this particular section, you are trying to tell Getresponse when they should automatically send the email. So here is the thing. Look at, on the, if you select 0, it means it will automatically send the email immediately they opt in. So let's assume you are offering a lead magnet. Of course you want to ensure the day is set to 0 if you are offering a lead magnet. So set it to 0, and same time as sign up time. Can you see? So that is perfect if you want to deliver your lead magnet automatically, like immediately after they opt in, or you want to welcome them to your email list. That is fine. So here is the thing, don't forget the zero, setting to 0 means okay, it will be sent immediately after they opt in, right? Now let's assume you are trying to build a sequence whereby someone, after they opt in, the next day they also receive another email, the following day they receive another email, and like that. So what you can do is increase this to 1, then you use with a delay of. So what you are trying to say is, okay, after they opt in, then the next day you want them to receive this next email. So you have to create another autoresponder. Just tell Getresponse to send them this email after, let's say, 12 hours or even 23 hours. Do you get it now? So you just create your body, your email and everything, then save. If you want to continue this sequence for like a week, come back and create a new autoresponder, which is 2, then set the delay the same time. So it is awesome if you can have a stipulated time that they will keep receiving the email. So when they actually opt in, you are trying to tell Getresponse to always send the email every 24 hours after they opt in. So just keep increasing, and this, make sure you are not unchecking anything here. Make sure it is checked, everything is okay, because you are automating your email marketing, right? So just leave it. Now from email address, okay, because when someone sees your email or reads your email, they might want to reply your email, maybe ask a question. So you can fill in all of those email address here. You can as well add another address. So here is the thing, this subject line is very, very crucial to your email marketing campaign, because if you cannot craft good subject line, then trust me, nobody will open your email. So what's the essence of sending them email at first? So you want to ensure you take your time to actually craft this subject line. But here is the thing, in case you don't know how to do this, there is a video that I did with Tony Fortizo. I interviewed him and he explained how you can write good copies and even craft good headlines. So in case you don't know how to do this, go watch the video. Just go to adeleke.com/TES01. I will put the link in the description. As I've said, you can check it out. So put your subject line. I'll just try something here, guys. I'm not really. So another thing you can do here is you can personalize the email. Can you see? So based on what they input while opting in, so I can just decide to use their name or first name. Can you see? First name. Okay, let me just use name here. Let me search for name. Then you can just say something like welcome Samuel to my list, or to my word, or just welcome, or congratulations Samuel. Just, you understand what I'm trying to say, right? So I'm just showing you what you can do here. Can you see it is checked? So this particular name will be dynamically updated based on who you are sending it to. So the name is not fixed, so it will reflect whatever they opt in during registration. Okay, so now design and content. This is where you actually put or design the body of your email. So here is the thing, can you see we have pre-designed templates, you have my template, you have blank template and HTML editor. While all of these are fancy, I would advise you just go for blank templates, so you'll be able to write whatever you want to write. You can just go select this last one, so you don't need too much paparazzi, just write something cool, you understand? So let me just walk you through this. So here, if you have a logo, you can decide to put a logo. If not, you can turn it off, turn this view online, and also turn off show logo. Can you see it is no more there? and here you can decide to drag and drop whatever you want to write. So I'll click on back to layout, then I'll drag and drop text. Can you see? From here, drag and drop it here, then you can write whatever thing you want to write. So I can say hello, let me put some personalization. Hello Samuel, so my name would reflect there. I want to welcome you to my world, blah blah blah. Just write I will always send you valuable information on how to blah blah. Just welcome them, and if it is for a lead, tell them hello Samuel, this is the link to access the gift, I promise, something like that. So I'm just giving an example here, right? So just do that. Can you see? You can format all of your text. Can you see? You can use bold, you can personalize, you can insert link, you can even use emoji. Here is the thing, in case you are not good with writing copy, as I've said, go watch that video tutorial or video interview that I did with Tony Fortizo, and you can as well come to this website, goodemailcopy.com. so you will see so many copies that has been written. So just select one. Can you see welcome, like welcome? Just select, and you see some example from brands that you can just replicate. Just copy, model, and replicate, add your uniqueness and use in this time. So just come here, just click on back. So if there is anything you want to add, you can add image, you can add video. Can you see? So you can as well add your social media handle. Can you see? So I can put my social media handle here, can put it here. So you can put links. Can you see? Your Facebook, Twitter, so people can connect with you. So guys, these are many other things. You can also put a button. You can tell them access my gifts here. So there are so many. Just play around with the whole thing. Because of our time, I will not be able to do all of that. So you can add section, you can use layout, you can format your messages, so many things guys, so many things that you can do here. So all you need to do is just set up everything, and you should be good to go. So I'll just delete this. Oh, you can undo if you make mistake as well. So I just want to delete this particular one, so I'll be able to save. Okay, so click on save. Next, that's all. Can you see? It is good, everything is good, you are good to go. So you can turn on this. If you are doing e-commerce, you can turn on e-commerce tracking as well. So that's that as per creating your email content. So what you want to do is you want to save first, then you save and publish. So now that we have created our list and also created our autoresponder, the next thing you will do now is to create your opt-in form. So you want people needs to enter the autoresponder before you start sending them emails and all of that. So you need to create a form. We call it opt-in form for this. Now there are two ways in which you can do this. Now I will show you the two ways. Now the first way is, okay guys, please, before we continue, if you are getting value from this video so far, please do well to like this video, subscribe, and also share with your friends. Also drop a comment in the comment section if you have questions. Okay, so let's continue. So here is the thing. As I've said, there are different ways in which you can get this done or create your opt-in form. So the thing is, if you are to the one I recommend is you creating your form outside of Getresponse. But you know what, you'll not be able to do that if you are using the free version. So I will show you how you can actually do it for free and also use the paid version. So the free version, all you need to do is come to tools, then go to forms. Can you see forms? Click on forms, and you'll see this Getresponse is loading. Okay, so all you need to do is click on create form. create form. Now you see different options here: plain HTML, list builder, apps, integration. So let's just wait for this to load and we'll select one. So guys, I prefer or I recommend you use something simple. So let's assume you are selling a weight loss product. I think this is a nice template that you can use. So just click on use template. So let's assume you are trying to generate lead from the weight loss industry. So just use something simple. You don't really need something too fancy, understand? So just select from the list. Okay, Monster is loading your template. Well done, Monster. Okay guys, so what you can do, you can decide to edit all of this. Can you see free guide? I can decide to use something else. Yeah, instead of free guide, I'll just say free report. I'm just showing you what you can do, right? Free report to easy weight loss. So you can decide to edit all of this stuff here. Can you see? You can decide to edit all of them and even the button. So these are things you can do. So you can as well add new feeds. Can you see? You can add new feeds. And look at this, is some text. You can decide to add your own text if you want to. Can you see? You can add your text. You can decide to delete anything if you want. So there are so many things you can do. Another thing you can do is to put a privacy badge, just to tell them we respect your privacy. Can you see? So these are many other things is what you can do. You can use counter, trust you. So just click on save, and if you are using the thank you page inside Getresponse, can you see? You can just put something here and we are good to go. But I'll use an external thank you page in case I'm doing this. So just click on save and publish. So now Getresponse will generate a JavaScript code for you, which you can just embed directly on your website. So I will show you how to do this, and I'll also show you how you can create inside your website, how you can create the opt-in form inside your website. Okay, so another option is this. Can you see? You can decide to use this link. So Getresponse will help you host all of the things you have done, your form, your autoresponder. So in case you do not have a website, this is another option for you. So just click on copy, and although I don't really recommend this, so you can use this and it will take you to this. Can you see? It will take you to this particular stuff. Oh, I need to show you something here. I forgot. Let me go back to forms. I forgot, which is very important. So you need to like connect it to a list. You need to connect it to a list. Very important. I forgot to talk about that. So I'll just come here and click on edit form. Make sure you do not forget this. It is very important. If you miss this, it means it will not trigger any of the sequence in your autoresponder. Very important. So you want to come to settings. Can you see? So you want to choose the list that I have created earlier. So I'll just choose demo tutorial. That was what I created. So here you can give it a name, demo tutorial opt-in form, so you know which of the form you are working with. And confirmed opt-in, this is when you want to use double opt-in. Add to the circle on day. Can you see? So you can decide to select when you want them to join the sequence. I always advise you use day 0, so you want them to start from the first sequence. Now choose thank you page. Of course, here you want to select use custom if you are using an external thank you page. So just copy and paste your website thank you page, paste it here. Let me just put this. Then already subscribed URL. Now this is for people that have subscribed already, so you can let them still on the same page. Recaptcha, I won't advise you turn it on so you don't stress whoever wants to opt in. We can just leave this. I don't think this is really necessary. So just click on save. Then you can now save, and then can you see save and then what, publish. So once you have done that, okay, so let's see. So once you have done that, in case you don't have a website, you can just click on this, copy, and we can use this link wherever you want to promote your opt-in page. You can just use this link. Very simple, right? Then the opt-in and all of that. So you can just brand it, use bit.ly, bit.ly or ly. I prefer to call it ly. So bit.ly or bitly.com. So you can just shorten the link here because the link is kind of long. So that's the first option. So now let me share with you the second option in case you want to embed this particular opt-in form directly on your website. So all you need to do is click on I will install the form myself and click on copy the JavaScript code. So all you need to do is come to your website, and so I'll just show you how to embed the code, right? So in case you are using Elementor or any other page builder, all you need to do here, listen, all you need to do here is just create a new section on your page builder. It could be Insta Builder, Elementor, Thrive Architect, anyone. So I'll just use Elementor as an example. So you can now search for HTML. So drag and drop it here. Then you paste the code you have copied. Can you see? So it is loading. Let's see what we're awesome. So you can decide to remove all of this, or you make the design to blend with what you already have here. Can you see? So with this, whenever someone opts in their name and email address, they will get and click on download. They will automatically subscribe to your list, and you can start following up with them. So this is the first step, but let me show you how you can actually like I do my own. Let me show you how you can actually create the opt-in form inside of your website. So all you need to do is but here is the thing. The reason why I show you the first method, which is totally free, is that you don't need to spend money or pay money. But for this other option, you need, number one, you need Elementor Pro, which is the pro version of Elementor, and number two, you also need one of the paid plans of Getresponse. You get it now? So if you eventually upgrade, you can start using this method, but I'll just show you in case you upgrade. So just come here, come to Pro, you see form. Can you see form? So let me just replicate this form that we have here. This video is getting longer already. So just drag and drop it. Can you see? Drag and drop. And one more thing, guys, in case you do not know how to design pages like this, I have a free tutorial on how you can use Elementor to design virtually any kind of page, opt-in page, sales page. Can you see? This is a 2-hour tutorial that I did, like one of the longest, if not the longest tutorial on my channel. Go watch it and check it out. I would advise you do, in case you do not know how to design. If you like and love my designs like this, just go check it out. Okay, so let me drag and I don't know what's happening here. Drag and drop. Can you see the design is not that cool, right? So all you need to do is you have name, email, message. First thing, remove this message and name. Name. You want to leave this as name and the label as name. This is what label simply means. Placeholder is what is inside this white box. So you can say something like enter your name. Can you see? So you can decide to do all of that. So if you want to make sure anybody that visit this page, before they can access your lead magnet or subscribe, you want to make sure this particular form field is required, like they must enter their name. So you can turn it on here, and column width you can use, like, let's say 50. Can you see now that it is shortened? So that is that about that. And for the email, all you need to do is you can always use email. So you want to ensure you are using the correct type, the correct form type. Very, very important. look at email, text area. So these are different form fields or form field types. Let me just put it that way. So always select the right one. So let's assume you are trying to get feedback from people, like a long message from people. You can use text area. Can you see it is longer now? If you are trying to let them select, checkbox. I'm just showing you something else, though. This is not really related to what we are talking about now. So you can just put option A, option B. So you understand, but I'm just trying to explain something there. So just select email. Email is to email. So placeholder, enter your email. You can say enter your email address. Can you see? And of course make it required, mandatory. So you can also reduce the size to 50. Okay, one more thing you can do here is input size. You can leave it the way it is. Label, you can turn it on or turn it off. Required, turn it on so they know that it is required. Okay, so once you have done that, your button, so you don't really need this steps button now. So here you can just put something like download ebook for free now. So I'm just giving you an example, right? Okay, that is that about that. And now this place is very, very important, so I'll just remove this. So these actions after submit, you need to ensure you set it up correctly. So here, this is where you select the autoresponder you are using. So I use MailerLite, right? So you can select, we'll select Getresponse because that's what we are using here. So of course you want to select redirect as well. Now listen, this first one, email, is just like to send an email that okay, you have new leads. Let's say new leads from blah blah blah, but you can remove that. But let's focus on this. So this is where you put your custom thank you page URL. Don't forget, if someone opts in, you want to ensure your pixel, your Facebook pixel, triggers that okay, someone has opted in. So you want to have a backend thank you page. So just paste your link right here, and let's talk about Getresponse. So here, don't forget I said you cannot use the free version. I cannot get your API key using the free version of Getresponse. So API key is just like connect your Getresponse account and your website together. So to do that, all you need to do is come to your tools, then scroll to integrations and API. Then you'll be able to, you'll see your API key here. Let me show you. In fact, this is like a course already. This is like a mini course already. So just come to API, and can you see I'm using the free version? Can you see starting at $13? I'm using the free version. But of course, if you are building your list and it is bringing in sales for you, you can upgrade your account. But you can use the free version. So you will see the API key. Just copy the API key and come back to Elementor. Then you can paste. Can you see? You'll be able to paste. You can paste the key. Like there is a way you can set up the API key inside your admin dashboard, or you can use custom and just paste the key that you have copied. So let me just go back to default. Then once you have connected with the API key, you now see this list. Can you see this list? When you click on this drop down menu, you will see all of the lists you have created on that account, either MailerLite or Getresponse. So you see what's it called, the list that you have created. So just select the list from the list. You understand? So for example, we'll just select demo tutorial from the list here. So make sure you are selecting the right list. Very, very important. So once you do that, I think that's all. So yeah, the styling, you can decide to style, but I won't be going to that. Just take your time, play around all of that. And this, I prefer to use 50-50 padding just to give it some styling. 50-50. But here is the thing: if you want to use a design just like I did here, all you need to do is come back here and remove this at this level, make it 100, and make this 100 as well. Make this 100 as well. 100. Then you come back to advanced padding. You can use, let's say, 300 on the left and right. Can you see that we have the same thing now? Then you can use icon and all of that, and that's it, guys. Then you save and you are done. Wait, before you go, make sure you watch this particular video. Watch this video where I share with you how you can actually send traffic to this opt-in page that you have designed to generate quality leads, because without traffic, then the autoresponder and the opt-in form will just be useless. And in case you do not know how to design your opt-in page, I would advise you watch this particular video. Watch this video, it will guide you through. So watch this video and it will be helpful. Okay guys, so that being said, if you're one of the people that requested for me to create this video, do well to drop a comment so I can always create more videos if you request again. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.